Hello friends, welcome to Mysterious Tales X, the home of cosmic mysteries, forgotten truths, and the strange secrets of the universe that science still struggles to explain. Every planet in our solar system spins gracefully, like dancers moving around the sun in perfect rhythm. But there is one planet that refuses to dance like the rest. A planet that broke the rules of motion, as if something in the ancient past twisted its very soul. This is the story of a world turned sideways. Uranus, the sideways planet. Far beyond the warmth of the sun, past the fiery giants like Jupiter and Saturn, lies a pale, lonely orb. A ghostly blue-green world, frozen in silence. That is Uranus, the seventh planet from the sun, spinning 2.9 billion kilometers away from Earth. It's so distant that sunlight takes nearly 3 hours to reach it. A day on Uranus lasts 17 hours. But a single year equals 84 Earth years. Imagine that. One season lasting 21 years. But what makes Uranus truly bizarre is not its distance, not its color, not its cold, but its angle. Unlike every other planet, Uranus doesn't spin upright. It's tilted, not slightly, but completely. It rolls around the sun like a ball lying on its side, tilted at a shocking 98 degrees. If Earth is a spinning top standing tall, Uranus is a fallen one, spinning horizontally. Its poles where its equator should be. Scientists were stunned when they discovered this. How could a planet end up lying sideways? The most accepted theory says, in the early days of the solar system, when chaos ruled and planets were still forming, Uranus was struck by something colossal. Maybe a young planet the size of Earth crashed into Uranus with unimaginable force. That impact may have knocked it over, shattered its interior, and forever altered its destiny. Others believe Uranus might have collided multiple times, each hit twisting it more until it finally toppled completely. And that wasn't the only thing that changed. The planet's magnetic field, the invisible force that surrounds it, is also misaligned and off-center. It's tilted 60 degrees from its spin axis, as if Uranus's very core was shaken and displaced. Even its moons and rings follow that strange tilt, orbiting in a sideways plane, like a cosmic wheel spinning in slow motion. When NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft flew past Uranus in 1986, it was the first and still the only spacecraft ever to visit. What it found shocked everyone. Uranus was eerily quiet. No massive storms, no colorful clouds, just a smooth, featureless surface, pale and calm, almost unnaturally so. Scientists called it the blandest planet. And maybe it wasn't bland. Maybe it was just hiding something. Decades later, new telescopes and infrared observations revealed what Voyager couldn't see. Beneath those calm clouds, Uranus was alive. Massive storms, dark whirlpools of methane and ammonia erupted near its poles. Winds roared at 900 kilometers per hour, stronger than any hurricane on Earth. And lightning storms flashed deep within the clouds, illuminating the frozen atmosphere from within. Even in its coldest silence, Uranus had a heartbeat, but its cold is unimaginable. Temperatures drop to negative 224 degrees Celsius, colder than any other planet, making Uranus the coldest world in the solar system. Some call it the ice giant, But even ice behaves strangely there. Deep inside Uranus, under extreme pressure, scientists believe diamond rain falls. Yes, methane, the same gas that gives Uranus its blue-green color, is crushed under pressure, turning carbon into crystals of pure diamond that fall like rain into the planet's depths. Imagine that, storms of diamonds, raging in the darkness of a sideways world. But what lies beneath that icy surface? Recent studies suggest that Uranus may hide vast oceans deep below. Not of water, but of superheated ammonia and water mixtures under layers of frozen hydrogen. Could there be energy or even the chemical ingredients of life inside that hidden ocean? Could Uranus, cold, tilted, and mysterious, harbor something more than we imagine? We still don't know, because after Voyager's brief flyby nearly 40 years ago, no mission has ever returned. Since 1986, Uranus has waited, silent, tilted, and lonely, at the edge of the sun's light. But perhaps its silence hides a story. Maybe Uranus is the survivor of a cosmic war, a wounded planet turned sideways by violence, but still orbiting with quiet dignity. Its tilt reminds us of the universe's chaos and of how even the grandest systems carry the scars of their creation. While we look for perfect harmony among the stars, Uranus teaches us this: that beauty can exist in imperfection, that even when you fall, you can still shine. And that's why Uranus is so fascinating. It's not just another planet. It's a mystery written in blue and ice. A planet that whispers, I may be different, but I still belong. Uranus, the sideways planet. A world turned over by fate. Still spinning, still surviving. Still shining quietly in the cold corners of the cosmos. If this story of cosmic wonder moved you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X, where every week we explore the hidden, haunting, and breathtaking mysteries of the universe. Because here, science meets imagination, and the stars whisper the stories that never die. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next episode 20 with another mystery from the cosmos.